plantain leaf. She's still out. You can go get this, guys. We're going to use this winter in my classes for making medicine. So here's a plantain. It's kind of hard to see because it's really busy in here with lots of stuff. This is what the leaf looks like. And it has these things that grow up from it. Really tall sometimes they're short. They have all little tiny seeds on it. That's plantain. Plantain is a great one. Very resilient, lasts even through the winter, the first of the winter. If you dig up, you'll see that plantain's still living, but after a while it dies out. So how you'll know plantain is it has this oval type leaf that does have a point. It's very thick, and it has all veins running up straight. They don't jut out sideways, they run up straight like this. They curve a little bit, but they're not all jotted, so you know what I mean. And then when you pull the leaf, it has like an elasticity. You can feel that, like elastic. And then when you open the leaf, you'll actually see there's like white stringy, like a white string of veins in there. It's kind of holding everything together. That's plantain. Very powerful medicine right here, guys. It's still available. Go get it. I'm actually harvesting this plantain today in a little basket. So what this is good for, you can make a tea. People use this in salves. It's really great for eczema and to extract like thorns or splinters. Great for that. But what a lot of people don't know is that it's actually really, really good for the intestines and the belly. It's a great belly tonic. If you make a tea with this, if you have an upset belly, take the upset belly right away. Helps with diarrhea. Really good belly tonic. So that's the plantain. All kinds of it in here. There it is. Plantain. See how it has the little white strings? That's how you know you've got plantain. Powerful little plant. Go get it. Hi. I want to heal you. I want to take your splinters out. Actually, great little story about this one. Jessica, my apprentice, she was getting rose hips with me, and she got all little tiny hairs there on the rose hips, but they're like little splinters, little thorns. She got them all in her fingers, and she's like, ouchie, her fingers are hurting. So I didn't even tell her. She's so smart. She's learning so much, that girl. Like, wow, she's amazing. Anyhow, I didn't even know. She goes and she grabs a plantain leaf, and she just rubbed it on her hands like this. She just went like that. She didn't even crush it up. Usually I chew it up and spit it on something, and then it'll extract like a splinter in no time. She just kind of did this. And then when we were driving, I noticed that she was just kind of going like this. She took all the thorns out of her fingers just by this, extracted them, putting the plantain on her hands, extracted just the essential oils from the leaf, extracted the little splinters, let's call them, thorns, and then she went like this, and they all came off. I find that amazing. It's a great true story. I love Jessica. Best apprentice you could ever get. Okay, so there's some plantain. Go get it.